how to use a 7-segment display, or how a 7-segment display works. You can see these are the light strips of a 7-segment display. Now, every particular light strip has a pin number, for example, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So, all these pins give power to every strip, and there are two common pins. So, first of all, let's check that which strip is connected to which pin number. So, this strip is connected to the pin A. This strip is connected to pin B. This strip is connected to pin C. This one is connected to G, and this one is E. So these are the pin numbers every strip of light is connected to. And the last one, this one, is DP. So as you saw, this is how it works. So these are the pin numbers. This is A, this is B, and so on. So now we're going to attach it to the Arduino. So let's move and connect it to the Arduino. So you have to connect it like this. These are all the connections. You can also check them out in description. So basically, what we're doing, we are going to represent every button as a number. If we click on button 1, the 1 would be visible on the 7-segment display. If we click on the second button, it's gonna show 2, and if the third button, it's gonna show 3. So that's what we're trying to do. So these are all the connections. We have connected every pin of the 7-segment display to a pin number in Arduino, and the common pin is connected to ground. And all the buttons are also connected to a digital pin in Arduino. So now let's move to the code. So here's the code. So basically, first we have defined all the variables. Button 1 is connected to digital, pin 2, and so on. And same with the 7-segment display. Now we have defined that we are going to take input from buttons, and we are going to give output to the 7-segment display, because 7-segment display is going to take output to close LED strips, and we are going to take input from buttons to know whether it is pressed or not. And then we defined three variables for digital reads of button 1, 2, and 3. Now what we told that if x is equals to 1, which means if button 1, which is x is storing the digital read of button 1. So if x is pressed, then x is equals to 1, because when the button will be pressed, the value of button is going to be 1. Otherwise, it's going to be 0. So if it is pressed, now same with y. If the second button, which is y, is pressed, then it's going to turn on A, B, E, D, G, and so on. And if nothing, then all the LED strips are going to be set on low. All would be off. So this is the basic code. Now let me show you how it works. As you can see, I started simulation. Then the moment I click on button 1, you can see 1 on the LED strip. When I click 2, you can see 2. And when I click third button, you can see 3 on the 7-segment display. So that's how you use a 7-segment display with Arduino. So all the circuits and the Tinkercad link is provided in the description. See you in another video.